Has the Camp Nou renovation really slowed down? This is the question many viewers have been asking recently. But after seeing today's progress, those doubts are about to disappear. The reality is that work is continuing across different areas of the stadium, and many important changes are happening behind the scenes. In today's update, we'll take a closer look at the latest progress and show you why the rebuild is still moving forward strongly. Construction at the south goal continued to advance with another important milestone for the compression ring. A new radial beam was successfully installed and secured to the main support pillar using a massive structural pin, completing another critical connection within the roof support system. Later in the day, crews lifted and positioned another small compression ring segment, continuing the current phase of installing smaller steel boxes. With each new segment added, the south goal section moves closer to completing this part of the compression ring. Progress across the compression ring remains steady on both sides of the stadium. Installation of additional small steel segments continues as crews gradually close the remaining gaps around the structure. Once the full compression ring is completed, work will immediately shift toward installing the vertical support pillars that will connect the compression ring to the future tension ring, marking the next major stage of the roof construction. Work inside the stadium's VIP area continues at an impressive pace, with construction progressing across multiple interior levels simultaneously. Crews are actively carrying out structural installations, partition work, ceiling systems, mechanical and electrical services, and interior finishing throughout the premium hospitality spaces. Although these developments remain largely hidden from the outside, the continuous movement of materials and ongoing activity confirm that the VIP area remains one of the most advanced and highest priority sections of the entire Camp Nou redevelopment project. Steady progress continues across the stadium's pitch area as crews advance the final stages of ground preparation ahead of the new playing surface installation. Earthworks, precision grading, and base level adjustments are actively underway to create a perfectly even and stable foundation for the natural grass system. Heavy machinery remains active across the field as teams complete drainage preparation, surface compaction, and final leveling work before the next construction phase begins. Preparation work for the ceramic slats continues around the south goal mobility cores, where crews are focused on completing the anchor systems that will support the future facade panels. Workers are carrying out inspections, alignment checks, surface treatments, and final adjustments before installation begins. Additional ceramic slat materials have also been delivered to the area, indicating that this section is being prepared for the next phase of facade installation. Construction activity remains consistent across the third tier, with several elevated work platforms operating beneath the upper structure. Crews continue carrying out structural inspections, finishing steel connections, and completing detailed preparation work throughout the seating level. Multiple teams remain active across different sections, gradually bringing the third tier closer to its final structural configuration, while supporting the ongoing development of the roof system above. Work on the stadium lighting system is also progressing across the third tier. Scaffolding remains positioned beneath the lighting zones as crews prepare the mounting locations for the remaining floodlights and complete the necessary support installations. At the same time, final adjustments and inspections continue around the lighting structure to ensure everything is ready before the upper construction phase is completed. Installation of sandwich panels continues across several stadium cores as crews steadily enclose the remaining exterior sections. While panel installation progresses on the outside, additional work is also taking place inside the cores, where structural finishing, mechanical installations, and preparation tasks continue simultaneously. These works are gradually bringing the mobility cores closer to their completed exterior appearance. Ceramic slat installation continues to expand across the stadium facade as installation teams work through the remaining unfinished sections. Crews are fitting additional slats around the super pillars while completing the upper facade panels that were previously left open. With installation progressing in multiple areas at the same time, The exterior appearance of the stadium continues to evolve rapidly. The integrated lighting system along the lateral facade continues to take shape as crews work between the installed ceramic slats. LED lighting elements are being fitted, aligned, and inspected throughout the completed sections, while final adjustments continue to ensure the lighting system is fully prepared before the facade reaches its final stage. Excellent progress continues at the north goal, where ceramic slat installation is approaching completion. Most of the facade has now been covered, with only a few small sections and corner panels remaining to be installed. As more slats are secured into place, the north goal facade is beginning to reflect its final architectural appearance. Preparation work continues around the north goal corner, where additional ceramic slat materials have been delivered ahead of the next installation phase. At the same time, crews remain active around the mobility core, carrying out painting, protective treatments, structural inspections, and final surface preparation. These works will ensure the area is fully ready before ceramic slat installation continues into the remaining corner sections. Construction activity continues throughout the Tribuna stand, where large quantities of structural materials remain stored for the upcoming phases of roof construction. Compression ring segments, radial beams, support pillars, and temporary support structures are all staged and ready for installation. Meanwhile, crews continue progressing with work on the stadium cores and mechanical systems, ensuring the Tribuna area is fully prepared for the next major construction operations. The south goal diamond structure continues to show strong progress, with glass installation advancing and the surrounding wall sections nearing completion. One side of the structure has already reached the upper level, while the remaining sections are moving forward with finishing work. Several workers are active around the area, completing protection systems and preparing the structure for the next construction stages. The lateral diamond area is currently in an advanced preparation stage, with extensive reinforcement steel installed throughout the structure. The rebar framework has now covered a large portion of the diamond, creating the base for the upcoming concrete work. With the preparation almost complete, this section appears close to moving into the concreting phase. In the lateral corner area, waterproofing tests are currently being carried out on the newly completed concrete surfaces. The area has been filled with water to verify that the waterproofing system is working correctly before applying the final finishing layers. This step ensures the structure is properly sealed and ready for the next stages of construction. In the north goal area, progress continues with the protective network system installed beneath the stadium overhangs. Behind these safety nets, workers are continuing the installation of pipes and structural elements along the lower sections of the voladizo. Several areas already have the required tubes installed, and the work is gradually extending across the remaining sections. Construction continues to advance steadily across multiple areas of the stadium, with significant progress on the compression ring, ceramic facade, VIP ring, and third-tier infrastructure. As each structural milestone is completed, the project moves another step closer to the next major phase of the Camp Nou redevelopment.